So today, welcome us in Study Power. Today my topic is magnetic effects of electric current. First, we will know the meaning of this term, magnetic effects of electric current. The term magnetic effects of electric current, it means that an electric current and an electric current flowing in a wire produces a magnetic field around it. It is known as magnetic effects of electric current. We can also define magnetism. What is magnetism? Magnetism is that property of material, that physical property of material body by which virtue of which the body attains to directive and attractive properties. It means that magnetism is the that physical property of any material like gold, iron, cobalt, etc., by which it have the property to attain the directive and attractive properties. Then what is attractive and directive properties? So first we know the meaning of directive property. Directive property, it is the property of magnet by virtue of which a freely suspended magnet always directs towards north south direction. Means this is north and this is south directions. Directive property of magnetism is that property by which it always directs north to south direction. And attractive property, what is attractive property? Attractive property, it means that the property of a magnet by which virtue of which the magnet attains magnetic materials. It means that attractive property is that property or physical property of any material by which it attracts other materials by its virtue of its effects, like nickel, cobalt, iron, steel, etc. Like nickel, cobalt, iron, steel, etc. Okay, friends. First, we have to know a very famous scientist who discovered magnetism, who showed relationship between the magnetic and electricity, and who given phenomena of relation between them. That scientist's name is Hans Christian Ørsted. Hans Christian Ørsted. Whatever the things he has done, that in 1820, when he was sitting alone, by accidentally he found that his compass needle deflected. His compass needle get deflected by electric current when he was passing through a wire. Then he found that the needle of the compass deflected. It means that some force of attractions applying there that makes the needle to deflect. By this observation, Oersted saw that electricity and magnetism were related phenomena. It given the phenomena between the relationship between the electricity and magnetism. So, in by this honor, the unit of magnetic field strength is named the Oersted in his honor. The unit of magnetic field we measure in the Oersted. By the honor of this scientist, this has been given. So, how was this video? We'll meet in next part about the magnetic force.